Hello artists, welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I will be drawing some winter gear to celebrate the change in weather as we approach winter. Follow along as I get started. In my classroom, I made stencils of hats and of mittens for my students to trace. After tracing with pencil, I will begin to outline so that I can have lots of fun colors on my winter gear. My challenge for this project is to fill the entire sheet of paper with creative patterns in my decoration. Are you able to see any patterns so far in my drawing? Using a variety of art supplies, I was able to meet my challenge. I was able to fill the entire sheet of paper with patterns and decorations. Follow along as I finish my hat and move on to doing the same thing with a mitten. Enjoy, artist. Happy making. Your patterned artwork can remind your fans that no matter what the weather may be, you can still find joy as long as you're dressed appropriately. I hope you had fun watching this video, and I hope you get a chance to try this challenge for yourself. Enjoy, artist.